Namaste everyone, I am Rajat. Today is not just another holiday, it is the soul of our nation beating with a pride. Today's Independence Day, a 15th of August, a day that gives us an identity, a flag, a home called India. I wish you all a happy 79th Independence Day. The story that should be never be forgotten. Let me take you back not to 2025 but to a time when being Indian meant by living under someone else's rule. When saying Vande Mataram out loud could get you arrested. When schools were closed, lives were lost and families were torn apart, but the spirit remained unbroken. No Instagram, no reels, just real courage and sacrifice. That's the India we inherited, earned, not gifted, from freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, who died at just 23 with a smile. Rani Lakshmibai, who fought a war pregnant on horseback. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who rewrote the India's destiny with a constitution. Mahatma Gandhi, whose weapon was not a sword but the truth. So we should never forget their dreams because we are the result of their struggle, prayers and sacrifices. India in 2025, a nation rising with pride. India today is not the same as India 10 years ago. In 2025, we become the third largest economy in the world. We successfully launched Gaganyaan, our first space-made mission. Our young minds are creating AI innovation, ecotech and startups even in small towns. Our Indian sports stars from cricket stars to parathletes are rewriting the history. From Chandrayaan to classroom, from army borders to air labs, from farmers to fashion designers. Our India is growing like a phoenix of purpose. The real question is, are we racing with it? What does freedom mean to us, the youth of today? Freedom is not just what our ancestors earned, but what we preserve. Ask yourself, do I use freedom to speak with fairness or to spread hate? Do I use internet to learn and grow, to judge and scroll? Do I respect others' space, religion, language or just my own opinion? Because patriotism is not just standing for the flag once a year. It is about standing for the values it represents every day. Real freedom starts from small places. We often say, what can one person do? Here is the answer, everything. When a student teaches their male child, they give freedom from ignorance. When a teenager speaks up against the bullying, they give freedom from fear. When you help to clean your society compound or to plant a tree, you give freedom to earth. So that is why I believe we don't need more heroes, we just need more humans. Culture is a strength, not a costume. Let us not forget, our culture teaches ahimsa, non-violence. Our history teaches Satya, truth. Our flag teaches unity in diversity. Our constitution teaches dignity, justice and equality. Let us not exchange these eternal values for a temporary trend. Being cool is fine, but being compassionate is better. Being smart is nice, but being honest is rare. Let us choose the rare path, the Indian path. I dream of India. India 2047, when we complete 100 years of independence, should not just be advanced, it should be awakened. I dream of India where no one is left behind because of their caste and gender, where farmers are rich and respected, not helpless, where leaders lead with honest and people vote with awareness, where religion unites, not divides, where you don't just dream of going abroad but dream of building India. And I believe this is possible because we are not an ordinary citizens. We are the legacy of the world's oldest civilization, or custodians of an young democracy and the dreamers of a golden tomorrow. Closing from my soul to yours. As an end, I ask, what will you do with your freedom today? Will you keep it safe or waste it? Will you inspire your family, kids, friends or just treat as another long weekend? On this Independence Day, let us make a promise to be better than we were yesterday, to give more than we take, to live in a way that would make our freedom fighters proud. Let us raise not just as individuals, but as a united nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram. Thank you.